Hi, you may ask what I'm doing here. Today I'm going to try to replace, or I'm going to replace the locking mechanism on the rear door of this 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I did the passenger side rear door about 8 months ago. Now, as you can hear, when you lock it, it makes that hideous quacky sound. When you unlock it, well, it's actually working today. So it actually will unlock and lock, but it's starting to get to the point where when you try to unlock it, sometimes it doesn't always unlock. Okay, the first thing is you have two screws, one here inside the door, like handle area, I guess, and then there's one right here. You take those two screws out, and then you're going to go around the outside here, prying it off with one of these type of tools, and that'll take the whole door panel off. I believe this one here, the one behind the door handle, if you can see it up close here, let's see if I can focus in. This one takes a special type of torque, just like these out here, that you're going to have to take off. They need these torque head. So this is the type of tool you'll need for taking that one out. And I also have a bigger one for these three that have to come off. Okay, I've got the door panel off. They got these like green clips that kind of, when you go around the door, you kind of pry them off. I actually bought a package of some more of these online because on the other side some of them broke. Now you're going to have to kind of disconnect these areas here where you see the yellow parts. There's one here, one below. Those rods have to get taken off here, and I'm going to do that. Okay, I've got the door panel off, so you've got to disconnect. This is the I believe this is for your power window. You'll just unplug that, and these two rods from the old lock kind of come off this section here. These things kind of just come out, and then you can remove the whole door panel. And now we're gonna have to go in and take this stuff here and move it away so we can get inside and work to get the whole old lock off, which is by taking these three bolts off. Okay, once you get these three bolts off, and they are sometimes a little hard to get off, you're going to have to disconnect one more piece. There's like one more thing in here. I don't see if I can focus in on it. There's another piece in here that you have to unclip. Okay, everything's back on. The door panel snapped right back into place. The new lock is in there and it's already working. Let me give you a demonstration. I will, using the remote, you hear it unlocking, and then no more. All right, let's go ahead and close the door, and no quacking anymore, and then unlocking fine.